Finally, gold has come closer to 1880 levels. Those who watched my weekly and daily review, many a times I have told that it is a bullish week for gold. We can look forward to 1865 as the first target and 1880, 1885 levels as the next. I hope you all profited yesterday as well. Now, what to expect today from gold, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start. First, we'll start with the hourly charts and move towards the daily charts, and towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Do watch till the end, and do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, comment, subscribe is a great support, great motivation for me to grow together and deliver twice a day update. The next update on gold will be released before the US session. Let's start. Now see, look at the hourly charts here. First of all, 20 period moving average moving upwards, and you can see the price trend is also moving upwards here. So possibly it may give a breakout either which ways. On the downside, now 1875-74 has become a support, and then 1868-69 has become a support here. So this zone is very important for gold to break past by. Remember what has happened, it has consolidated here in between 1865 and 1855 levels. Then this breakout is seen and it has come towards the next resistance zone at 1880. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is comfortable. MACD is flat. RSI is also overbought here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, see the movement here. Consolidation retracement, consolidation rise, and this is still staying bullish. Or if it gives a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one, else it is trying to be in zone for now. Now, if you look at the 2 hour chart, see 1875, look at how many candles tried to break this past and failed to do so. Now it has certainly given a breakout here and trying to move upwards. Now on the upside, beyond 1880, see 1885 levels is a great resistance for gold, and beyond 1885 it is directly going to be 1898, 1900 levels. Once again, I am saying this, I have said in my weekly review as well, and again I am reiterating the same fact. Beyond 1885 it is directly going to 1898, 1900 levels. This is my expectation. So right now you can look at, yes, it is still staying bullish, taking the support from 1874 levels. One can initiate a selling position at 74. Expect 70, 68 levels to be a great support, because see the divergence of the price from the moving average. Yes, it will wait for the moving average to come up before retracing there. This is one probability which can be expected. Stochastic trading comfortable. MACD is flat. RSI is also trading overbought, but it is slight overbought as of now. Looking at 3 hour chart, see, track this movement, and this movement. These are couplets, couple of candles together, and this time again the rise is minimal as of now, but this is beyond the market's opening. Right now the market is not open. Before that itself it has initiated this, so possibly consolidation, and if it gives a breakout, certainly we may see more bullish momentum continuing here. But as of now, the bullishness getting diminished, that is what we can see, and for that reason we have to wait for it to break past by 1880. Now why 1880 is important, you can look at the 3 hour charts here. Look at these two candles. 1880 was a greater resistance here, it is reversed from the same zone, and thus any move beyond 1880 should bring little more bullishness, and I will be looking forward to this complete zone at 1880 and 1885 levels. Greater resistance exists. Stochastic is overbought. Also look at the MACD divergent bullish here. The 20 and 100 period crossover also happened, so this is again a bullish sign as of now. MACD divergent bullish, looking upwards, and it has seen higher levels. It did try to cross over, failed to sustain, and moving upwards. RSI is also overbought. Coming to 4 hour chart, now look at 4 hour charts here. See, higher lows are seen, thus you have to wait for it to break past 1874 levels. Then you can expect little bearishness. As long as 1874 and then 1868-70 zone is respected, we should not expect bearishness in gold here. Below that is where little more bearishness may prevail. At the same time, on the upside, see, it is still providing higher highs here. Thus I will definitely wait and watch out. Again and again I am saying 1880, 85 levels, which are definitely going to remain critical. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. So on the multiple time frames, you can see little overbought levels. Now on the daily chart, and before I give you the complete levels and trading strategy for today, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 26th batch is going to start on 16th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. The links are mentioned in the again description of the channel and video. Now look at the daily charts. See on the daily charts, support is seen here. First bullish candle, consolidation, second bullish candle, and today it is continuing now. See if it stays above 1880 levels, we can stretch. We can expect a stretch really here. We can look forward to 1890 levels, and then beyond that 1900 levels can also be seen. And thus today is going to remain a critical day for gold, because whatever it approaches or achieves today possibly is going to be a retracement and a level which before CPI it wants to achieve below, before looking forward to a reversal with the CPI. There is a probability CPI data from US is going to be tomorrow, and hence it is definitely going to bring an impact. I mean, CPI data coming in today definitely will have an impact here and may bring volatility, and hence you have to trade with caution. Yes, it has formed a base at 1860 now. With that as base, it is trying to rise. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over. Now see, MACD has crossed over at bottom. It is trading with divergence. First wave, second wave. The red part is complete. The greener zone has started. Two green candle. Third green candle may continue here and pull the prices, lift the prices little up. RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, once the price stays above 1880, we can expect a further rise. At the same time, note that it has got a flat opening there. This increases the chance for it to retrace a little, take the support from 1870 1868 zone, and then also again it can reverse. There is a very strong probability for this to happen, that it may try to create a tail and then bounce back. Thus, if you are selling at 1874, try to book profits, and or else put a trailing stop loss, or else put the stop loss at your entry price and keep booking the profits and keep re-entering. Now on the downside, 1868.70 first target, 1865 next, and 1860 is the major support. Only below 1860 we are going to treat gold as bearish, and only below 1860 we can expect that it is going to crack. On the upside beyond 1880, see 1880, 1882.5, 1885 and 1890. These are four major resistances in between 1880 and 1890. Beyond that, directly I will be expecting gold to achieve 1900 levels. Yes, these are achievable. See, the candle size is increasing. This can further enlarge here, but with a slight retracement, with a slight tail, it may try to move upwards. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with caution, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Yes, stay tuned for the next update before the CPI data. Definitely it will add meaning to your trading decisions. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.